for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M is for monkey, climbing trees. N is for nest, for birds and bees. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for popcorn, crunchy to eat. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rain falling down. S is for snake slithering around. T is for tree tall from the ground. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin, music plays. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, playing for you. Y is for yacht, sailing away. Z is for zebra, stripes on the